What is up, everybody? Welcome lower back to the Crypto Blitz, your own home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, CoinGraph Market. Hopefully, as soon as having a first-rate day, hopefully you are already home and you have started out your weekend. When you have, I can help you understand right now. I'm jealous. I am clearly jealous. Oldsters. But we got plenty to cover on this video. Parents pump a laugh being sued. You heard that proper? We're going to communicate approximately V low. And this is some huge information oldsters, if genuine, eventually found out this large wallet who's been accumulating V low. And you are going to be greatly surprised while you discover who it is, due to the fact I assume your predictions on Velo need to head up and away. Is XRP going to zero? More a laugh. We got another financial institution accepting Bitcoin, and then we are going to get into a bit XRPTA from a live stream final night time. Sit again. Loosen up, permits do that issue. Bitcoin coming in at $104,747, Ethereum coming in at $3,338, and XRP coming in at a mean lead $3,009. Not too much has changed due to the fact that this AM, that's K, due to the fact Bitcoin's protecting above $100,000, XRP's retaining above $3. You recognize 290 is that key area to take note of for XRP. If that gets broken, it goes again to 272. If that gets broken, something is terribly incorrect, folks. It's that simple. I like in which we're at. I do believe that pump is coming the next move up. When I advised you, and I said this earlier, then I'm going to say it once more. When it happens, it is going to happen speedy and Bitcoin goes to fly. I assume it in Q1. That has always been the predictions. I count on we begin to see it. I'm hoping by next week. That turned into my original name. I said even this week and subsequent week, not an excessive amount of has took place this week yet. So with a bit of luck kicks in next week and Bitcoin begins to move on up, pump on. They're being sued for excessive volatility, suggests cash, alleging security violations, 500 million. They are making over 500 million from prices. Now, the lawsuit turned into filed New York court on the 30th of January against the Batten Corporation, the company that owns Pump, Fun, and its three founders. They declare to have suffered losses from making an investment in three meme cash created through Pump. Fun, Fred, FWOG, and Griffin, all of which have been allegedly marketed to have the capability for tremendous returns. Pump Fun, they quite a lot stated, you realize it's not us that is at the social media platforms that are doing this, like TikTok, with the fear of missing out motion pictures and the law of the 100 times, 1,000 times returns. I imply you knew this turned into coming a person sued Ripple because they claimed that Ripple promoted XRP and they lost 15 legit. You look it up. The lawsuit's nonetheless ongoing. They lost $15 and they sued Ripple because they said Ripple promoted it and now they want their $15 lower back. You cannot make these things up. But examine this. There's been a big transfer of Velo taking place, and Bag2 Mill did a touch dig in right here, and he found this to be the Thai Ministry of Finance. Here's the account stability. You can see there's over 190,000,000 VLO in right here. It's $31 million. You can see the converter. You can see the Thai Baht USD converter. You can see right here the Ministry of Finance plans for the Public Debt Management Office, the PDMO, to difficulty government bonds worth 10 billion baht in a tokenized format similar to solid cash with a dish here, and they linked it to this pockets. Folks, if this is actual, this is massive. Velo's nonetheless what? Cents, 2.5 cents. It's going to actually take off. It is going to skyrocket. It is going to fly, especially whilst this is made public. All eyes on Velo. I've been saying it on the grounds that a penny. Let's get to this ultimate nighttime due to the fact Keith breaks down the XRP chart. You want to concentrate up and determine out in which we're going. Boiling to the right here. That's cool because that's forming what we name a bull flag. And now that does is display the rest of the bulls once this flag breaks. It's go time by spoil. What do I mean? All proper, we've got picks. We can either move this way and the shorts pile in, we can cross this manner, and the longs pile, wherein way will it move? Well, it is an awesome aspect. We got signs to undergo similar to we just did with Bitcoin Cool. So are we at help? Right here is the preceding region. We've touched it and touched it and touched it. Pause by the manner we preserve touching that vicinity. We have not failed that region. Very precise. It's we're given aid. Cool. Next, how approximately our EMAs and transferring averages? Good. There's our 8. Perfect. We're over it. There's our 21. Perfect. We're over that. There's our 50. Perfect. We're over that. Have a lager and relax. Nothing to do, however, wait. It's doing true. Sweet. How about pivot factors? We're over R2. We're over R1. Pivot line way the hell down here. Nice. The simplest issue we are not over is R3. That's the closing line, which is like hellable. Okay, cool. It is doing appropriate there. Nice. How approximately the Ichimoku cloud? Well, the Ichimoku cloud on a variety of alt factors does not appear to be this. And I'll take this fib activate here for a second to explain. Ichimoku cloud receives 4 factors of interest. We need 4 check marks out of 4 test marks to be a winner bird dinner. What are the check marks? I'll give an explanation to you. The white line that you see right here is really no longer generally white. I exchange it to white so you all get better attitude on it. Can see it a little less complicated. I ought to pick a exclusive coloration, but I like white as properly. It's less difficult. The evaluation at the, again, of the darkest chart is less difficult for me to peer. This is called the lag line. It's the same component as those candles. Instead of in candle shape, it's a line. It's simply the equal issue set returned 27 areas. I recognize that sounds weird, but bear with me. What I want to see is this line above the candles. It is good deal. That's a take a look at Mark Sweet. Next, you have got 4 specific factors, like I stated. So subsequent point is the cloud all the way on the right, and that is the cloud down right here, okay. All the way on the proper, is it inexperienced or red? It's green. Winter, hen, dinner, good. It truly is out of 4. Blue line and red line, which you see proper right here, what the hell are those? That's our baseline and our conversion line. Our baseline is pink, conversion line is blue. Cool. We want blue over pink. That easy. Is the blue over the crimson? It is good. It is 3 out of 4. Last one, is the price sincerely above the cloud or below the cloud? Well, here's the cloud, here's the fee. Guess what? It truly is above. That's 4 out of 4. You're exact to go. You don't need to do anything but take a seat, returned, and wait, as it's still in a bullish structure. Might take a touch, couple, 3, 4 days to get going, but I nevertheless like the upside. There's extra upside than downside. There you move. You heard it. Sit returned and relax. Take hold of yourself. A pleasing bloodless drink, folks. XRP is in a superb spot at this point. The chart seems virtually bullish. It's above all the key factors, all the key measures. Whilst you're doing TA, it is prepared, it is ready, it is going to begin this movement first. Prevent get above 340. When that happens, we can start at drawing near that 4 greenback degree. Once 4 greenback breaks, we can see we're in fee. Discovery, who knows where we're going to go. But keep in mind, that is a totally bullish Q1. What do I assume at the quit of Q1? Well, it's quite simple. Whilst Q1 involves and give up, and we don't want that. When Q1 involves and cease, I expect a bit of a retrace. How deep is that retrace? That is the million-dollar query that everybody is asking me. I do not know yet. No one is aware of how deep we're going to move. I do not suppose it'll be horrible. You know what I imply? I don't think we're going to cross lower back under $3 or that 282 or 272 region. We've been speak me about on this channel. I do not know if we get that low. Let's see how excessive we get by means of the end of Q1, and then we ought to come again and we could retake a look at in which this is going to move. But do not forget